Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here. Normally I show my beautiful face, but today, no. I'm looking a hot mess, but I'm here to talk to you about my favorite income stream, which is email processing system. And normally I show my own proof, but I wanted you to see that this works for other people and show you some of the proof that is happening in our proof group. So before I even do that, I want to go ahead and I want to talk to you about the email processing system and what it is real quick, how you could position yourself to start earning and get set up, and then I'll show you the proof real quick. So I'm going to try to keep this video to maybe 5 minutes or less. So let's get right into it. So I love the email processing system. It is an instant pay program, meaning that you make a commission today, it goes directly into your PayPal today. I love that. I don't have to wait to payday. You don't have to wait to payday. Every day of the week, commissions could be going into your PayPal. Okay. The other thing I love about it is, unlike some other programs where, it takes time to build up, you need marketing budgets, all these things like that. This is newbie friendly. You can literally come in, today, get, plugged in and start, promoting and making money that day. And that happens a lot. Okay. The other thing I love is that there's no, besides your one-time startup fee, there's no ongoing fees. So literally you're in profit mode and you have a product that you could start making money off of. And our product is digital. So you don't have to, carry product and all types of things like that. Our product is our digital ads that you're going to use to copy and paste on social media and make money. And also the digital marketing training. Okay. So the training is top notch. This is training that I have used, also my other businesses, that has taught me how to, build a, business online, which is what people want to know how to do. Right. So I already talked about it being a daily instant pay program. The commission structure, you can make $25, $50, and $100 commissions depending on where you come in. And the good thing is if you come in at the $100 package, that's our elite package. Okay. You position yourself to also make $100, $50, and $25 commissions. So, which is really awesome. Okay. And then on top of that, the $100 level, you position yourself to get 5K training, which you get training that teaches you how to make $5,000 a month. They actually give you the blueprint using this program. They show you how to build your business on YouTube, on Instagram, and using Craigslist. Okay, at the $50 level, you get additional training as well. And the $25 level, you still get good training, which is the ad copy and basic training. But again, the $50 and $100 level, you get additional training on top of that. Okay, so this is training that people have paid, I would say upward to $1,000 for this same type of. I've actually seen training like this costing that much, and people have paid for it, and I'm like, okay. So you're getting it with this program. Okay. The other thing I love about this program is that the training is included with the program, and then you get support included. All right. So here's the thing: once you come in at a $25, $50, and $100 level, the only thing you need to do is get a $13 website. Okay, which I give you the information on how to do that, and you're up in business. That's it. It's that simple. Okay. What I do is, when you partner with me, you will get plugged into a training group, which is my personal training group, where I share my best recommendations and support and training with you. In addition, you get the training that comes with your package, and then we have a larger team group. All right. So but let me just, for today's video, just focus on what happens when you get in my VIP group. Okay. When you get in my VIP group, again, you're going to get training, you're going to get resources. I have an actual, training page for my people, which I developed, where they could go in and get plugged in and start moving and making money. Okay. And people ask me questions in that group. We support each other, to take action in their business and things like that, and to make money, which is what we came to the internet to do. We don't want to have to go out and get a part-time job. This is our hustle, and we hustle and we make that money. All right. So this is it, and we keep it simple. All right. So let's get into the proof. I wanted to share Lily's results. Okay, Lily is in our proof group, and today is March 6th, and she shared this on March 4th, and she says, I think I am crashing money. Money, I don't know what that means, to be honest. Something, these year, a big amen to that. Yeah, I can't speak emoji speaks. I don't know what she tried to say, but all I know is she posted her results in our group. Okay. And she made a $25 commission. And she posted her results, and there's tons of results that we're getting like this in our proof group. Okay. So I am excited for not only what it's doing for my income, my cash flow, but I love what it's doing for people who want to simply just come and make money online in a simple way without it being overcomplicated and over dramatic. You got to learn a million steps and you got to pay for auto ships and stuff. No. You know, you could get in and start making money. So I hope this was of value to you. If you want to position yourself to start earning money using this wonderful program, go ahead and check out the comment section below. There'll be information on how you could contact me. And like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell at the top and turn on notifications so you could get notified when my next video is. All right. If you're on Facebook watching this as well, make sure that you turn on the same notifications button. Okay, there's to be a little notification so you could get notified of when my next live is. All right, bye guys.